what's moving behind.
All that stuff in the back.
Going to the back. Guys, pauli namin guys. Nice na kayo karon. Mana sa Mother's Day. May kaon ng Mother's Day guys. Mag Mother's Day raman ang way kaon guys. So Father's Day nga naman ang ano man. Mother's Day dapat na ay dagang lechon. Mother's Day there's no party. And Father's Day, that's weird. It's weird holiday. What do you think?
But
The Mother's Day is supposed to be a big party for a Mother's Day. How come it's only cards and flowers and stuff? They don't have like a birthday has a big party. Christmas has a big party. How come Mother's Day or Father's Day there's none? Explain it to me, guys. Sige, bye. Whoever knows, explain.
Don't know.
Diri na lang taman.
don't know.
Happy Mother's Day. Don't know. Hi guys, look at this wildflower, guys. They are wild. See? Wow. It's so nice. Look. Look at this, guys. You're just in your... Aww. Look how pretty is that. Happy Mother's Day, everybody. APC are flowers. Alright, let's see. We got too much. Wow. Pretty flowers there in our garden. Look at that. It's nice, guys. They're in the yard.